about to leave Vegas. Beautiful city. We love it. I'm gonna show them the city right now where we're at. But one problem to one of my customers is like, bro, I did a burnout with you and it wasn't too good. Show them. So we gotta detail this thing right now. So yeah, we're gonna do this right here. We might get a ticket. It don't matter, he says he doesn't care. They stopped by to say what's up. That's their free giveaway car. That's crazy. Guys, we're done with this car. You can see yourself. We're out of here. Time to go back home. We're tired. We need to go eat some breakfast, and I need to get my voice back. I'll check you guys out. Guys, we came out with Parker. We came out with Savage Garage. They actually asked us if we wanted to come by and have some fun, some real fun in the dirt. I don't even have to waste tires here. It's just dirt. It's all soft. Which I don't even have any tires, any thread at all. That, you can see they brought all the toys out. We brought another toy out. We popped a couple of rounds, you know, just to have a little fun. Let's get to show them the car. Show them how dirty the car is. Look, my detailers are just standing around, picking up all those shelves. Look how dirty this is. Show them the trailer. Show them the trailer. Show them the bad boy, the brand new, the Black edition. Damn, that thing's insane. Show them the trailer. This thing's crazy. We're having fun. We'll post the most footage. We're gonna do a whole video out of this. It's insane. It's crazy. It's fun. Stay tuned, baby. Stay tuned. Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes. Savage Garage. Parker. The Peter Parker of cars. This is fucking crazy.
And now we're about to race the Bros Automotive Demon.
Taco Jay getting footage. I hope I win. Parker,
There goes my interior.
you know we don't have a garage. We don't have a vacuum. You know that, right? Surround them. Woo! Yeah. It only works in the movies.
Yeah. I thought I could do a full whippy.
No, it only works in the movies.
Nah, it works. I can do the Lambo. Yeah, the Lambo. You got a Toyota with a BMW motor and a BMW with a Chevy motor. I love it.
We need that drone. Peter, please take care of my car. Too much fun out here. Too much. You guys are having too much fun. You guys are not getting paid today for this. You know that? You're with the biggest YouTubers in the world. And the laziest person in the world right here. God, watch out, watch out. Just tune in. That's that fucking guy.
Miles Oxycontin later. What the hell?
It's that guy over there. I'm gonna go in with him. You know what you're doing? It's a Dodge. It's not an exotic.
Or just traction. Just gotta go first. Everything good?
Yeah.
Okay, just want to make sure. All right, now now I know the drag. Okay, hold on.
Got them. Whoa. He stood there too.
Jimmy's used to it. Yeah, let's let this thing cool down.
This is so badass.
It's so stupid out here. It's awesome.
So stupid. It's amazing.
Yeah, let it cool down. Just let it run a little bit and let it cool.
Let me see. Yeah. Look, you know the good thing about this? Race cool down.
Yeah, it gets the double fans going, right?
I just gotta turn it off. It's crazy. Look, engine off. And it does it on its
Oh,
own.
cool.
Hell yeah, that's pretty badass.
Oh, here come the posers. Oh, he's off-roading.
Stop! Stop! They're in such hell right now. Look at them.
They might call us right now to go detail the cars. You know that, right?
I don't think it's
It's crazy out here. Crazy. We're having so much fun. Savage Garage, Peter, all the crew of Savage Garage. It's crazy. Look at my car.
It's so thick. Who can drive the actual BMW well? That will be, I mean, I don't know how to do that. Come on, man.
Hit the deck! It's like nuclear fallout.
Just try not to breathe for like 10 minutes.
Fuck. Hi, Mom. I might not make it back. Randy's a fucking animal. I love you. I love you, Mom. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you. What's up? Yes, sir, I can. Can I scream?
Scream like a little girl.
I might scream like a little.
Didn't even feel it.
It says go by the trailer.
We got a flat tire.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, that's just badass. Bro.
That's crazy, man. Did I have a flat running 103 miles an hour? That's fucking... Dude, I didn't even feel the flat. What happens when you're going off-road and you hit big rocks? Everything... Oh, shit.
A la Bergs, diablo. Hijo de su puta madre.
I can't even get out, dude.
I took it to
You can get it out.
You had too much buffet, huh?
That's actually...
Diablo, those are the... Why, diablo? Hay chavos a la verga, hay feria.
Black white. Insane. He says, we're at 80, we're gonna hit 100. I was like, all right. Best experience of my life. The best tool? I gotta record this because goddamn, we were going over 100 with the flat tire though. Yeah. Guys, Savage Garage let me use their Can-Am with all the boys, so we gonna have some fun. Set foot on high. You guys ready? Let's get it. told you to buy a real BMW. When Julie go down this way, let's go down this way. Ah, we're gonna die. Woo! Savage Garage. Look at that. Savage Garage. Woo! But we're out here having fun, baby. We're out here having fun. You can't beat that. We got Taco J, we got the boys in here. This is crazy. Taco J! Taco J is back. He's mad. Taco J, you okay? We out of here. We're gonna go up this hill. Ready? Oh, double bump. Oh.
You know?
I'm sorry, Randy. I'm sorry.
Savage Garage, thank you. I got on the trophy truck. You did a bunch of donuts in my demon. You let me borrow the Can-Am. I appreciate you. You fed us. You paid us. You did everything, a full package. We appreciate you and thank you. You killed my voice. It just came back from partying in Vegas. Guys, you better share, like, subscribe, because we had vehicle virgins out here. We had Peter Parker of the cars. Peter, thank you. Appreciate you. And let's go.